Greater blessings are ahead. You walk further. A palace of pure gold appears, then one of deep red ruby, so clear you can see inside. In every room, trays of food and drink await. Fruits, meats, and drinks whose tastes are familiar, yet entirely new, filling your heart with a pure, wordless happiness. Then, the door opens. Your loved ones enter. Your family, your spouse, your children. You are breathless with joy. The believers you walked with in life are beside you again, glowing with light, smiling beautifully. And then, the greatest announcement is made. A ram is brought forth, its name is death. A voice calls out, and it is slaughtered. A declaration echoes for all eternity. O people of Jannah, you will live forever. There is no more death. Death is gone. Forever. You will never be sick,